In this video, we will learn how to deploy ERC20 token contract on Sepolia network. Let's do it. Now we'll search Remix IDE on our browser and we'll click on first link. So IDE will open. Now we will explore Remix IDE and we'll make Solidity file into the contract folder and we'll look into the Solidity compiler. Now we are making token erc.sol file in contracts folder. Here we will write our Solidity code. Here is our Solidity compiler details. If we will click on auto compile, so our code will be automatically compile when we do any changes in our code. And then we don't need to click again and again to compile button. Let's move on to the deployment section. We will deploy on Testnet, so we will select Wallet Connect environment to deploy our contract. Here is our ERC20 token contract code. As we click on auto compile previously, so our code compile automatically. Now we will check our compiler version, which we are using for compilation of our Solidity code. Now let's move on to the deployment of our code in Sepolia Testnet. For that, we will connect MetaMask Wallet to our IDE using Wallet Connect. Our MetaMask wallet is now connected to our IDE. For deployment of contract, we need to enter two parameters. First parameter is recipient address, and second parameter is initial owner address. This we will get using our MetaMask wallet. Now we will copy address of our wallet from MetaMask and we'll paste that address in both the parameters. After that, we will click on Transact button for deployment of contract. MetaMask opens after clicking Transact button. Now we will confirm our transaction by clicking on Confirm button. The contract will deploy in some seconds, then we will verify our contract. For verification of our contract first, we will copy our contract address. Then we will open Sepolia Block Explorer. There we will verify our contract. For that, we will first search our contract. Our contract is now open. Then we will click on Contract section, and then we will click on Verify and Publish. First, we will define our compiler type and then compiler version we are using, and after that, we will enter the license. After that, we will click on Continue. Then here we will upload our contract code. Let's get back to Remix ID and copy the code. After that, we will click on Publish button. It will take some seconds for verification. Our contract is now verified. Let's click on our contract address to see contract details. In this video, we had learned deployment and verification of ERC20 token contract. Thanks for watching, and subscribe our channel for more updates.